Okay, I am putting together a 4U iStar rack, and I just wanted to, that's one side that I started with. So let's show you everything that's in the box real quick. So there's the two longer pieces and then the two short. These are the 4U pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes with M5 screws, these thicker screws that actually hold together these components, and then this set of screws that works with the M5 nut, and one more set of screws that works with the M5 nut. There are also these little black plugs, which I'll have to figure out what they're for because I'm still learning myself. And then the casters for the base. These are some of the shorter U pieces to install right here. This is the box that it came in. Not too exciting, but you know, you need that there. Alright, and then here are the remaining couple pieces. So we have, this is our crossbar right here, there's two of those. This is the 4U piece, this piece right here. And then we have the crossbar. So I'll put it all together. So these are all our components. Let's just take a little breather right here and stuff.